Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing review of my Plantronics wireless Bluetooth headset that I purchased. I got this one off of Amazon. So I'm a clinical pharmacist and work out of a home office. So it's really handy having a hands-free set like this one for when I'm talking to doctors and nurses and other healthcare providers. And the sound quality on this has been really good, so I'm really happy with how it sounds. In the box here you get the USB charging cable, so this can be plugged in directly to the headset, or you can also plug it into this traveling case to give that power. They also give you a couple of extra earpieces. These are different sizes, so you can pick the one that fits your ear the best for the most comfort. So let's take a closer look at the actual headset. So I really like this one. This is a behind the ear design, and the way they have it set up here is you can have this on the right side, you can have this on the left side. So whichever side you prefer. You got a couple of buttons here on top. You got a plus and a minus for the volume controls. This is your power on and off. And then on the bottom here is a small little door that you can open up, and you can charge the headset directly with a USB cord that way. And then on the actual mic here, you've got a button here that you can press to answer calls. And then this little red button here, you can press that one time while you're on a call and it'll mute. Or you can also do a long press and you can get access to Alexa or Siri. So that's pretty neat. The way I have mine set up here at my office is I use their supplied USB dongle. And so I have a docking station that my computer's plugged into. So I have this plugged into the back of the docking station. And then I have the case here just closed and sitting on top of the docking station, and it's plugged in with the USB cord, so it's always got power. And so basically at the end of my shift when I'm done, I just take the headset and I put it in the case like that, and it starts to charge, and that way it's ready to go before my next shift. So overall, I think this is a great product and I highly recommend it.